Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Okay, so I get to work today and I see a nail in my tire. So it's my lunch break and I got my good friend Tim helping me out. There's a back one, so not terrible, but enough to be annoying. This is the plug patch that's going in. Very interesting. Looks like a dart.
Bigger. Come on, you bitch.
Well, we know it ain't gonna leak.
I hope not. I'll be pissed.
Right?
Just a little bit more. Oh, there. inspection here. Looks like everything should be good.
Pretty slick.
So one thing I do, you don't have to, I don't know if it makes a difference, but after I put the plug in, I put a little bit of the cement
Sure.
on
Just
it.
seal it up.
Yeah, and then I'll go over it again with the roller, just in case if, you know, something, a corner or something started lifting up.
Sure.
It won't, because the glue's got to be dry in order for it to stick to it.
Right. Contact cement.
Yep. Sometimes, usually it seems like when it's really hot out, it doesn't always wanna.
Yeah.
Sometimes it takes longer to dry, or if I shouldn't say hot, if it's humid.
Oh, sure. That would make a difference.
Yep. They said I don't know if it makes much of it.
That's the name.
Something. There, that wasn't so hard. Getting her all lined up.
Woohoo! Don't even worry about it. I gotta wash her up after work.
Oh, you're gonna wash it anyway?
Yeah.
Well, let's. That looks good.
Pretty bubble free.
Yep, don't look like it's really.
Works for me. Yeah, we're pretty much down to the wear.
We'll leave about. Yeah, you're down to about the wear bars anyway. I suppose they'll get you through the spring, maybe, huh?
Yeah.
Now would be the time to, if you want new tires, would be the time to look for them. You know,
Cheaper, yeah.
Farms got them on sale.
I know, I gotta run up there and get a set of some snow tires for my rims that,
I think that should work
yeah,
tall enough.
and that'll rub out, or nub down.
Yeah, it should.
Well, Tim is tackling that thing, which is not going to take him very long. I decided to replace these fucking nozzles because, well, for one, look at that, they don't fit. For two, I put these in, if you'll remember, from that video I did a while back, and let me just show you how these things work. Yeah, that's fully adjusted, and all they do is blow to the bottom. Like, they don't do shit. So, very disappointed, and we're just gonna take that problem and throw them right in the garbage. Okay, so we're replacing these nasty things with factory OE replacements. And that should take care of the problem. Stinks?
Stings.
Oh. Is it off a lot, or?
No, it's just 2 ounces
Oh.
so far. Okay.
Nice. All right, so we've got these washer nozzles on, hooked up. I think we're moments away from the death. Let's see how this works. Well, much better. You can see a cleaner fit. No space around any of it, so that's a bonus. It actually got the top of the truck a little wet too, so that means we've got good coverage. Well, with that being said, one thing done. We're just about done here with part number 2 of the project.
Get below freezing tonight.
No, that'll be a bonus.
I might run up to Casey's after work and wash them. So then the undercarriage can get washed. That's the one thing I don't like about washing it here.
Yep.
One, it's got to sit outside.
Just like that.
I'll go grab the torque wrench and pour her down.
Give her a little zip. Check your lug nuts after doing whatever to your wheels, say 50 miles or so, because Tim, what do you don't want to happen?
You don't want your goddamn wheels to fall off.
Preach on, brother.
You want to see a good video of wheels falling off, look up on YouTube about when semi-duals come off. Alright, with that said and done, stay positive, work hard,